Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Jeep Patriot hood. First, find the hood release lever located on the driver's side, typically below the dashboard near the door. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the primary latch disengages, causing the hood to pop up slightly, indicating it's ready for the next step. Now, move to the front of your Jeep Patriot. The hood should be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, right under the center of the hood's edge. You'll be feeling for a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch designed to prevent accidental opening. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it to fully release the hood. Depending on your model, you'll either push this small lever to the side, often to the left, or lift it upwards. This action will completely disengage the final lock, allowing you to lift the hood without any further resistance. With the hood fully unlatched, carefully lift it all the way open using both hands for stability. Next, find the hood prop rod, which is typically a thin metal rod attached to the underside of the hood. Swing the prop rod out and firmly insert its end into the designated hole located on the engine bay frame. This will securely hold your hood open while you work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.